There is a vibrant, deep red drink that has steadily earned recognition as one of the most researched natural beverages for supporting cardiovascular health. Elite athletes often consume it before workouts and important competitions because studies have shown it can enhance stamina and exercise performance. Around the world, scientists continue investigating its effects on blood circulation, oxygen transport, and the health of blood vessels. Many heart specialists also suggest it to individuals seeking natural ways to maintain healthy circulation and vascular function. That drink is beet juice. What makes beet juice stand out is that its reputation is not built on tradition, trends, or marketing claims. Its ability to support blood flow has been demonstrated repeatedly in scientific research. Researchers can observe and measure actual physiological changes that take place inside the body after beet juice is consumed. Blood vessels often function more efficiently, blood pressure may improve, and oxygen can reach working muscles more effectively. However, according to Dr. Williams, there is an even more interesting aspect that many people never hear about. Although beet juice delivers impressive benefits on its own, combining it with certain natural ingredients can significantly enhance its impact. These ingredients complement beet juice through separate biological mechanisms, creating a stronger level of circulatory support than beet juice can provide by itself. Today, we're going to take a closer look at how beet juice works inside the body and discover 3 natural additions that may help maximize its benefits. To understand why beet juice has attracted so much scientific attention, it helps to start with what happens after you drink it. Beets contain high levels of naturally occurring compounds known as dietary nitrates. These nitrates are largely responsible for the circulation-supporting effects associated with beet juice. Once they enter the body, a remarkable process begins that eventually helps improve blood flow throughout the entire circulatory system. Dr. Williams frequently points out that this process starts in a place most people would never think about: the mouth. Beneficial bacteria that naturally live on the tongue perform a critical function. These microbes help convert dietary nitrates into substances called nitrites. Without a healthy population of these bacteria, this conversion process becomes much less effective. This is one reason some researchers have suggested that frequent use of strong antibacterial mouthwashes may reduce some of the benefits associated with nitrate-rich foods and beverages such as beet juice. After the nitrites are swallowed, they continue their journey through the digestive system. In the stomach, acidic conditions help convert them into nitric oxide, one of the most important molecules involved in regulating circulation. Nitric oxide acts as a messenger within the body. Its job is to signal the smooth muscle tissue surrounding blood vessels to relax. When those muscles relax, the blood vessels widen and become more open, allowing blood to move through them with greater ease. As circulation improves, blood pressure may become healthier, tissues receive oxygen more efficiently, and overall blood flow throughout the body can improve. This mechanism becomes increasingly valuable with age because blood vessels naturally lose some of their flexibility over time. Maintaining healthy nitric oxide production can help support the body's ability to keep blood flowing efficiently as these age-related changes occur. What makes beet juice particularly unique is that it supports circulation through a pathway that differs from many other natural approaches. This distinctive mechanism is one of the reasons researchers continue to study it extensively for cardiovascular wellness, physical performance, and healthy aging. Although nitric oxide may sound like a highly technical scientific term, its role in the body is remarkably important. Dr. Williams often refers to it as one of the body's key controllers of circulation because virtually every organ depends on a steady supply of oxygen-rich blood to function at its best. When nitric oxide levels rise, blood vessels become more flexible, relaxed, and responsive. This allows blood to travel more smoothly throughout the circulatory system, supporting efficient delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the tissues that need them most. The benefits of improved circulation extend far beyond the cardiovascular system. When blood flows more efficiently, muscles receive oxygen more effectively during exercise and daily activities. The heart can pump blood with less effort, reducing strain on the circulatory system. The brain may benefit from a more consistent oxygen supply, which can support concentration, alertness, and mental performance. Even overall vitality can improve because nutrients are delivered to cells more efficiently throughout the body. One reason beet juice continues to attract so much scientific attention is that it works through a nitrate-based pathway that remains effective even as the body's natural nitric oxide production declines with age. As people get older, the inner lining of the blood vessels, known as the endothelium, often becomes less efficient at producing nitric oxide. This gradual decline can contribute to reduced vascular flexibility and poorer circulation. Beet juice offers a unique advantage because it provides nitrates that the body can convert into nitric oxide through alternative biological routes. In many ways, it helps compensate for some of the age-related changes that naturally occur within the circulatory system. Research has produced encouraging results regarding regular beet juice consumption. Studies have linked it to healthier blood pressure levels, improved vascular function, enhanced physical endurance, and greater exercise capacity. In some cases, measurable improvements have been observed within only a few hours after consumption. Now that we've explored how beet juice supports healthy blood flow, let's look at the first ingredient that can make its effects even stronger: fresh lemon juice. At first glance, this may seem like a simple addition, but the science behind it is surprisingly impressive. Dr. Williams explains that lemon juice supports several important steps involved in nitric oxide production, allowing the body to gain even more benefit from each serving of beet juice. One of the biggest advantages comes from its effect on stomach acidity. As mentioned earlier, the nitrites produced from beet juice must undergo further conversion in the stomach before becoming nitric oxide. This process works best in an acidic environment. Because fresh lemon juice contains abundant citric acid, it naturally increases acidity within the digestive system. When combined with beet juice, it helps create conditions that may support a more efficient conversion process and potentially greater nitric oxide availability. But lemon contributes more than acidity alone. It is also an excellent source of vitamin C, a nutrient that plays a valuable role in protecting nitric oxide from oxidative damage. Nitric oxide is highly reactive and can break down quickly within the body. Vitamin C helps safeguard its activity, allowing blood vessels to remain relaxed and responsive for longer periods. In addition, vitamin C supports collagen formation, an important structural protein found in blood vessel walls. Healthy collagen production helps maintain strong, flexible vessels capable of functioning properly over time. Something as simple as squeezing a fresh lemon into a glass of beet juice can improve both its taste and its potential circulatory benefits. The citrus flavor brightens the drink while providing valuable nutritional support. The second ingredient Dr. Williams recommends is fresh ginger. While beet juice primarily focuses on helping blood vessels expand and relax, ginger supports another essential aspect of circulation: the quality and movement of the blood itself. Together, they create a complementary partnership that addresses circulation from multiple angles. Good circulation depends on more than just vessel diameter. The consistency of the blood also plays a major role. When blood becomes thicker or moves less efficiently, it can struggle to travel through smaller vessels where oxygen and nutrients need to be delivered. Ginger contains natural compounds known as gingerols that help support healthy blood flow. These compounds assist by reducing excessive platelet aggregation, helping blood move more freely through the circulatory system. As nitric oxide encourages blood vessels to widen, ginger helps ensure that blood can travel smoothly through those expanded pathways. Ginger also provides powerful anti-inflammatory support. Persistent inflammation can negatively affect blood vessel health and reduce their responsiveness to important circulation signals. By helping calm inflammatory activity, ginger supports healthier vessel function and overall vascular health. Another interesting feature of ginger is its mild warming effect. Many people experience a gentle sensation of warmth after consuming fresh ginger. This response is linked to thermogenic activity, which can encourage additional blood vessel relaxation through mechanisms separate from nitric oxide. For this reason, Dr. Williams often suggests adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger root to beet juice. Fresh ginger typically contains higher levels of active compounds than dried powders and adds a crisp, invigorating flavor to the drink. The third ingredient is perhaps the most intriguing from a scientific standpoint: raw cacao powder. Not the heavily processed cocoa products often mixed with sugar, but pure raw cacao that retains its naturally occurring flavonols. Most people never consider combining cacao with beet juice, yet this pairing may provide one of the most effective natural combinations for supporting circulation. To understand why, it's helpful to look at what happens after nitric oxide is produced. When beet juice increases nitric oxide levels, it triggers the formation of a signaling molecule known as cyclic GMP. This molecule helps communicate the relaxation message to the muscles surrounding blood vessels, allowing them to remain open and flexible. However, the body continuously breaks down cyclic GMP through various enzymes, causing the relaxation signal to gradually weaken. This is where raw cacao becomes especially valuable. Its flavonols, particularly epicatechin, help slow the breakdown of cyclic GMP. In simple terms, beet juice helps generate the message that encourages blood vessel relaxation, while cacao helps that message last longer. As a result, blood vessels may remain relaxed and responsive for an extended period. Raw cacao offers another advantage as well. It can encourage the body's own natural nitric oxide production through endothelial pathways that are separate from the nitrate pathway supplied by beet juice. This creates a two-pronged effect. Beet juice contributes nitrates that can be converted into nitric oxide, while cacao helps stimulate additional nitric oxide production directly within the blood vessels themselves. Beyond that, raw cacao naturally contains magnesium and theobromine, two compounds associated with healthy vascular function and relaxation. Adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw cacao powder to beet juice creates a rich, satisfying beverage that may provide substantial support for circulation and overall cardiovascular health. When these three ingredients are combined with beet juice, they create a remarkably comprehensive approach to supporting healthy blood flow. Dr. Williams often describes this as layered circulatory support because each ingredient contributes in a unique way. Rather than duplicating each other's effects, they target different stages of the circulation process, allowing them to work together efficiently. Beet juice supplies the nitrates that serve as the foundation for nitric oxide production. Lemon juice helps optimize that conversion process while protecting nitric oxide activity through its vitamin C content. Ginger supports smooth blood movement and helps maintain healthy vascular function through its anti-inflammatory properties. Raw cacao helps prolong blood vessel relaxation while encouraging additional nitric oxide production through separate mechanisms. Together, these effects create a broad strategy for vascular wellness. Blood vessels may become more flexible, circulation may improve, oxygen delivery can become more efficient, and tissues throughout the body may receive nutrients more effectively. Many individuals who regularly consume this combination report warmer hands and feet, greater stamina during physical activity, improved energy levels, and an overall sense of enhanced circulation. What makes this blend especially fascinating is the minimal overlap between the ingredients. Each one contributes something distinct, creating a natural synergy that researchers continue to investigate with increasing interest. The best part is that preparing this circulation-supporting beverage is incredibly simple. According to Dr. Williams, the key factor is not creating a complicated formula, but maintaining consistency over time. Supporting healthy circulation naturally does not require expensive products, complicated health programs, or an overflowing supplement cabinet. What truly matters is choosing quality ingredients and making healthy habits part of your daily routine. To prepare this circulation-supporting drink, begin with about 200 to 250 milliliters of beet juice. Freshly juiced organic beets are the preferred option because they provide the highest levels of naturally occurring nitrates. However, a high-quality bottled beet juice that contains no added sugar or unnecessary preservatives can also be a good choice. Next, squeeze the juice of 1 fresh lemon directly into the beet juice. Not only does this improve the taste, but it also helps create favorable conditions for nitric oxide production. Then add 1 to 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger root. Fresh ginger delivers a greater concentration of active compounds than dried ginger powder and contributes the warming, circulation-supporting properties discussed earlier. Finally, mix in 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw cacao powder. Because cacao does not dissolve easily, using a blender or whisk can help create a smooth consistency. Many people are pleasantly surprised by how enjoyable this combination tastes. The natural sweetness of the beet juice blends well with the bright citrus notes of lemon, the gentle spice of ginger, and the rich, earthy depth of cacao. Dr. Williams often suggests enjoying this beverage once each day, Some people prefer drinking it in the morning to support circulation, energy, and physical performance throughout the day. Others enjoy it in the evening as part of a relaxing routine that supports overnight recovery and vascular health. There is one important factor that many people overlook when it comes to maximizing the benefits of beet juice: the health of the bacteria living inside the mouth. Dr. Williams frequently points out that not all bacteria are harmful. In fact, certain beneficial bacteria that naturally live on the tongue play an essential role in the nitrate conversion process that allows beet juice to be effective. As we discussed earlier, the nitrates found in beet juice must first be converted into nitrites by bacteria located primarily on the back of the tongue. This step is crucial because it lays the foundation for nitric oxide production later in the digestive process. If these beneficial bacteria are disrupted, the body may produce significantly less nitric oxide, reducing many of the circulatory benefits associated with beet juice. This is one reason why strong antibacterial mouthwashes may unintentionally interfere with the process. Many antiseptic rinses do not distinguish between harmful and beneficial bacteria. As a result, they can reduce the populations of the very microbes needed for efficient nitrate conversion. Good oral hygiene remains important, of course. Regular brushing and dental care should continue. However, using a powerful antibacterial mouthwash immediately before or after drinking beet juice may limit some of the drink's potential benefits. The quality of each ingredient also makes a meaningful difference. Freshly squeezed lemon juice generally contains higher levels of vitamin C and other naturally occurring compounds compared with bottled alternatives. Fresh ginger root provides more gingerols than powdered ginger. Likewise, raw cacao retains substantially more beneficial flavonols than heavily processed cocoa products. When these high-quality ingredients are used consistently, their combined effects may become increasingly noticeable over time, helping support healthier circulation and overall vascular function. Perhaps the most appealing aspect of this entire approach is how easily it can fit into everyday life. Dr. Williams often reminds people that lasting cardiovascular wellness rarely comes from a single dramatic change. More often, it develops through simple habits practiced consistently over months and years. This beet juice blend is not intended to replace professional medical care, regular exercise, proper hydration, or a nutritious diet. Instead, it can serve as a valuable addition to an overall wellness-focused lifestyle. Another exciting aspect of beet juice research is the speed at which benefits may begin to appear. Studies have found measurable improvements in blood flow and vascular responsiveness within only a few hours of consumption. At the same time, the greatest advantages seem to develop gradually through regular use. Over weeks and months, improved circulation may help support energy, physical stamina, recovery, mental sharpness, and long-term cardiovascular health. Dr. Williams also encourages individuals to observe how their own bodies respond.